And good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining me. I'm your host, Eric, on Eric's weather forecast. Thank you so much for joining me this afternoon. Uh, just want to tell you that yesterday's event in Michigan was quite interesting. Um, I would say it was very interesting because power didn't come back on until I'm going to say about I'm trying to think of what time. I'd have to look back on my phone, but all I know is that the power uh, at my place has been out since 8:58, and it was result into wind damage. Uh, and all I know is that one part of my town was out, and then it expanded, and then everybody in my city in Memphis, Michigan was out. So it was a total blackout. So everything is finally restored. Got an update from DTE. So thank God the power is back on and things will be back to normal. I don't know if any other places in Michigan have that problem, like in northern Michigan. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Just leave me a comment and let me know if you lost power in your city or not, and what kind of damage um, that happened in your area. So I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below on Eric's weather forecast, and I will get to everybody's comments as quickly as I can. But I apologize for the inconvenience and the delay. But this happened all of a sudden last night because the power kept going off quite frequently, and the first time power went out for about 5-10 seconds, and then it came back on, and then the power went out a couple more times. So it was not a very interesting event, but it was a severe weather event. So this is all due to severe weather in southeast Michigan. So I will look into the rest of the forecast and GFS models and see what's in store for us. And you guys have a good day. And there will be live streaming early. And we will check out the status on power uh, power being restored across Metro Detroit and Southeast Michigan. So I will have that DTE status map up, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Thank you for joining me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys during my live stream. Thank you. We'll see you soon. And remember, if you have not subscribed, please do. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button, and each time that I do a weather forecast or breaking news on severe weather or developments such as this event, please do that and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'd really appreciate that. I want to continue to grow my YouTube channel as much as possible. You guys are doing great. So I want to keep up with that. So daily weather forecast will go back into regular schedule, and I will tell you that will help it. That will happen immediately. So we're gonna start that off today, and we'll start our weather forecast and live streams starting at 1:30. Thank you.